If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error that says could not verify device, this quick fix can usually get you back in with just a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it fast without any unnecessary confusion. If this helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. First, look at your browser extensions and click your ad blocker extension. Then choose the option to turn off the ad blocker for x.com or Twitter. Sometimes ad blockers can interfere with the login check and cause this device verification error. Next, if you're using any VPN, disable it completely. VPNs can sometimes trigger security checks on x.com, so turning it off may solve the problem right away. After that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. In this menu, make sure you clear cookies and cache. These saved files can sometimes get corrupted or block the site from verifying your device properly. Set the time range to all time if needed, then confirm that cookies and cached images and files are selected. Once that is done, click the clear button and wait for the process to finish. After clearing everything, close the browser completely and reopen x.com or Twitter. Then try signing in again and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, just turning off the ad blocker, disabling the VPN, and clearing cookies and cache is enough to fix the problem. If the issue is still there, repeat the steps carefully and make sure nothing is still running in the background that could interfere with the login process. That's it, a simple fix for the could not verify device error on x.com or Twitter. If this video helped, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more fast troubleshooting guides.